down, get our first official reaction from the Vice President of the Supreme Court Advocate on Records Association, Mr. Manoj Mishra. Mr. Mishra, several AORs in the Supreme Court today get this call. It is one of the most bizarre things we've seen. Can you confirm the call, the timing, the duration, and what was said in it, sir?
Yes, we have received a call. Our association's various members have called me and they informed me that they are receiving such calls. And when I was in the midst of my argument before the court number 2, I also received such call. But this is very unfortunate that the people who are residing outside of India, they are blaming our Prime Minister, and not Prime Minister but blaming our entire systems, and they are making reckless allegations against our honorable judges and asking them not to hear the matter in respect of the Prime Minister's security. Who are they? Why, on what behest they are doing, and what purpose behind it? So it is my request to the central government as well as the security agencies to find out where this call is coming from, and they should take immediate actions. And as far as the association is concerned, our various members have requested me to file a appropriate complaint before the Honorable Chief Justice for taking actions. So we are doing all these things, but it will take time.
Yes, I also want to get in a
Hello?
sense, Mr. Mishra, about how many lawyers have got this call.
As far as at this stage, I am about that the more than thousands advocate on record have received such calls from UK numbers.
I also want to get a sense of around what time, Mr. Mishra, was this call sent? Did you also get such a call?
Yes, I received twice such calls, and one I attended. After that, I did not attend his second call. And after that, in our SCORA Associations group, the members, our EC members, were calling me and giving their opinion that we should take immediate actions against such frivolous calls. So we are considering actions, legal
Mr.
actions
Mishra,
against them.
Yes, Mr. Mishra, you have just confirmed to us even you got such a call, a second call which you did not take. Several lawyers say they also got several second calls. What was said in the first call to you?
Yes. Yes.
What was said in the first call which you had attended?
Hello. First
Sir,
call,
Mr. Mishra,
I
what was said
attended
in the
that
first call?
they were saying that first call they were saying that the Honorable Supreme Court judges should refrain from hearing such petitions against the lapse of the Honorable Prime Minister, and if they are hearing, then we will that our associations and our group will take appropriate actions, and we will do something else.
Yes, and as the Vice President of the AOR
Hello?
Association continues to speak with us, we're also trying to get in a sense, sir, a last question to you. What was the time you got this call? And also, what is the kind of action that the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association is trying to take?
We are in a process of consultations with our EC members, and we will finalize soon the actions on the basis of call we have received. And I received a call around 11:30, and after that 12:30.
Yes, sir, a last question to you. Roughly how many advocates on record do you think could have got this call? They are on that group, that SC AOR group. How many could have got this call?
More than thousands AORs, because the automatic calls we are receiving. So I think that in a large numbers of AORs have been engaged by them. by calling this way.
All right. The first official confirmation coming in from the Supreme Court Advocate on Records Association's Vice President, Mr. Manoj Mishra, where he confirms, viewers, he too got this call. As the call was stated and spoken out, they were saying that we accept responsibility. Mr. Mishra, final question to you. What did they say about the case hearing of the Prime Minister's security lapse case?
Actually, their intention was that the honorable court should not hear this matter, and this is very unfortunate that a foreign country people are saying in respect of our honorable court who is hearing this matter. This is very, very unfortunate, and I would request the central government to take immediate actions against these culprits, because their intention is very clear. They want to malign not by my country, but they also want to malign our judicial systems. So government should promptly take actions against these people. This is my humble request to the central government.
Yes, absolutely. And viewers, as we get that reaction from the Vice President of the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association asking for